Red door shining on a grand brick face, curved drive rolling through a peaceful place. Nearly 2 acres, trees all around. Hampton living with room to spread out. Darnell Bender says, come feel the flow. Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Georgia Properties, held you know. Step through the foyer, hardwood's clean. Formal dining made for every dream. High tray ceilings, chandelier glow. Seats a crowd when the good times grow. Updated kitchen, stainless shine. Island and pantry make life feel fine. Garden window over the sink, let's light pour through. Breakfast nook calling with a morning view. Big space, warm grace, privacy in a tree. Privacy in a tree. 5 bedrooms waiting. 3 full baths with you. 1 half bath, 2 and room for more. 3 levels of living behind that red front door. Darnell Bender can show you the way. Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Georgia Properties brings it home today. Wood paneled in with built-ins wide. Gas-starred fireplace for a cozy night. French doors open to the sunroom bright. Vaulted windows catching all that light. Primary suite with a retreat like tone. Coffered ceiling, closets of your own. Soaking tub, glass shower, spotlight air. Double vented style with a polished flare. Large secondary rooms with ceiling fans. Hardwood style floors and flexible plans. Laundry up top, storage tucked in smart. Every corner ready to play its part. Terrace level brings a whole new scene. Bedroom full bath, break room clean. Wet bar, kitchenette for guests who stay. Home office, hobbies, a game night, babe. Rear deck looks over the quiet green. Mature trees frame a private scene. Side entry cohorts with space to store. Plus a boat door ready for a little more. John Wieland-designed from 1989. Over 4,500 square feet shine. Near shopping, dining, work routes to Lovejoy High. 80 wide mirror sets for you. Big space, warm grace, privacy in the tree. Privacy out the tree. 5 bedrooms waiting. 3 full baths really. 3 full baths really. 1 half bath, 2 and room for more. 3 levels of living behind that red front door. Darnell Bender can show you the way. Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Georgia Properties brings it home today. Red door, green lawn, let your next chapter start. Hampton comfort with a whole lot of heart. Nearly 2 acres, a home that feels free. Come see the space and the life it can be.